All right, 1, 2, 3 testing. 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, ABOB. How's everybody doing? Hope you had a great weekend. I sure did. Yeah, so right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through my charts, and if you have a question, good morning. I'm on deep. If you have any questions, well, just go ahead and ask. Yeah. First of all, on the US dollar side, I'm looking at the US dollar breaking with the Asian session range lows. Pretty heavy here. Actually, I am going to. I need my watch list charts right here. Can't live with my watch list. Watch. DXY. All right. So looking at this, yeah, there's a ton of things that I would want to go through. Actually, it's a live show that I need, not this one. Let's see. Yeah. Dale, nompa. Okay, so why don't we start just by looking at what's going on with the major pairs that I trade. Let's have a look at the pound yen. Pound yen breaking with the Asian session highs, pretty sick. So I'm going to place a buy limit here right now on the GBP Japanese yen. Good morning, everybody. So we are doing fine. Very good. On the 3-minute chart is the one that I'm looking. So let me see if I got a cool OB here. Everything looks very bullish in my opinion right now. Just looking at some swings, order blocks that I should use as a probable cause for the break. Yeah, pretty cool, guys. Pretty fucking cool. So here we are. We have that very nice order block. Right the hell here. Yep. This entire low, I mean, I'm not going to show you how to find an order block, right? And I don't draw my order block, so if you have a question about order blocks, just go ahead and tell. If you want to chat with me, just subscribe to the channel. It's free. Just click the fucking subscribe button, and that's it. If I make a deposit, $1,000 or $10,000 and open send micro account, in this case, can I trade without stop loss? No. I mean, I'm gonna stop reading the fuck now. Don't do that. What the hell? Why would you want to trade without a stop loss? Now, listen to me. I'm gonna talk about this, and don't get offended if I sound harsh, but I'm gonna talk directly to you. So I'm gonna do this. Now, trading without a stop loss, it's fucking insane, right? Because what you need, I mean, what you are asking me is that if I can take a trade without really knowing anything about what I'm doing, right? So no. And let's assume that you take a buy here on the pound yen, right? Without a stop loss, right? And price moves 200 pips against you. Yeah, with a micro cent account, you're not going to, you're not going to hurt your account that much. But but it doesn't matter, right? Because for that trade to become profitable, price is going to, if price decreases by 1%, price is going to have to increase by more than 1% just for you to become profit, break even on that trade. So don't do it. Learn a systematic entry. The F1 strategy is good on that. Now I'm going to place this beautiful. So what I'm looking at here on the Japanese yen side, well, I don't know, guys. Now I don't fucking know if I should do that. So let me explain to you why I don't know. This is Japanese yen basket. Let's have a look at some strength here on the Japanese yen basket side. Here we go. No, but on the Japanese yen basket, I need to be weak, strong low, weak high. Everything is looking bullish on this market. Now, here we have on the Japanese yen side. This, guys, we have a big order block here. We have liquidity, but again, you know what? I am not taking the long side on this market just yet. Just have a look at this. I'm gonna rush through my charts. So if you do have a question, guys, just type it on the chat. I will answer later. So here, if this is in fact the last liquidity sweep on the Japanese yen side, and this is the last low, in order for me to consider taking longs, the market structure shift should be at this level, right? So because we haven't got, there's no market structure shift still on this market. I'm looking at bearish momentum in the Japanese yen still. So if I'm looking at bearish momentum in the Japanese yen, now because I'm looking at bearish momentum, I need to I need to have something tagged here. You know what? I'm going to use the red for bearish momentum. I'm looking at bearish momentum here on the Japanese yen. So looking for longs on the pound yen is exactly what the hell I'm gonna do. Now, so I'm going to place this particular order right now. I am going to target, let's go to a 50-minute chart. Let's see if we can target, I'm going to target Friday's London's highs at the 183.010. This is going to be a very, very nice risk to reward ratio. So these are the highs that I'm going to target. These are the structure highs, guys. I'm going to target a little bit lower, right? Why is it white? Always white. I don't know. It's always white. I don't know why. Yeah, I want a black. So I am going to target a little bit lower. I'm going to target this order block right here. This is the OB that I'm going to target in the long term, right? This is my final target on the pound yen. Oof, the USD looking it's looking very bearish. We do have a market structure shift on the 50-minute chart, so we are bearish on the US dollar today and bearish on gold on the Japanese yen. Right, we are bearish on the Japanese yen, so looking for that pullback in the Japanese yen to get me in long on the pound yen, right? So I'm going to try to enter at the 182.31. Is GBP yen manipulated like Euro USD? I mean, everything is manipulated, mate. That's why it's so very fucking difficult to make money consistently trading the financial markets. That's why I mostly trade the F1 strategy. Just looking at my setups on the F1 strategy. Gold. I think the best. I'm just looking at these two right now, GBP CAD and gold. GBP CAD, gold is the one that I want, that I'm going to look for at the true divergence. So I'm going to put on an alert here on my oscillator. There you go. And I am going to delete the drawings. So now I'm alerted for gold shorts. That's cool. I'm placing this this entry On the pound yen, a long position here on the pound yen. I'm going to try to get the best risk to reward ratio possible, of course. So that's a 4.3 R, 4.25 R if we account for spread. So if we account for spread, guys, yeah. Just hold on. I'm going to place this first on my MT5, and then I'll do everything else. Boom, boom, restart. Don't tell me I'm not gonna be able to. Okay. Yes. MT5. MT5. So GBPN, it's a liquidity sweep. You know, a ICT entry. I didn't invent what I trade, of course. These are all ICT concept, guys. This is not, I didn't invent this. I did manipulate ICT concepts to create my own entry model, right? I did that. But yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to steal anybody's work, right? Hopefully we can get filled here. Oof, I don't know. Yeah, pound yen is the one that I'm looking for mostly. Right, so pound yen. Waiting for the open. I'm going to. Why? I'm going to. Well, you know what? I'm going to. It's not an A cap. I trade on Think Markets. There you go. Think Markets Global. Yeah, sorry about that. Buy limit on the pound yen. I do have a buy limit on the pound yen that I don't know if I'm going to delete. I'll see about that in just a few. I don't know where the hell that buy. It's a buy limit all the way over here. Now I'm gonna stick with it. Let's see if we can get that pullback on the pound yen. Right. Boo 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 boo. So actually, oh. So on the 1 minute chart, looks very comfortable if I place it on the 182.31.5, 32. I want to get filled to 182.32. All right, so buy limit 182.32. My stop loss are below the Asian session lows. I'm gonna actually go 182.16 right here. All right, 182.16. And targets, I'm gonna do 182.90 all the way here. So that's a 5R, a 4R, I'm sorry, which is good. You know, I'm never looking again for those, you know, 17, 18 Rs. I take care of my capital. 182.90. I'm going to record the video, of course, guys. 182.90, boom. Let's see, I need to risk, I'm gonna risk 0.25%, 182, 182 what? 182.16, it's a little bit tight. 182.16 is too tight. I'm gonna lower that to 182.15. Yep, much better. So here I need to modify my I'm gonna do 2.5 lots. I think I'm gonna do 2.3 lots. Oh, there's one, 2.3 lots. All right. So I'm risking a little bit more than 0.25%. I'm risking 0.26%, which is fine. I'm going to send this to my VIPs. If you have any questions, just go ahead and post it on the chat, guys. I'm just going through the motions here. You know, you're gonna have to wait for my answer. 182.32, 32, one stop loss. Ah, shit. Hold on, GBP Japanese yen. If you're new to my show, welcome. I'm Orlando. I am the head trader um, here at Learn to Trade. Um, Glad you're here. 182.32. Stop loss at 182.15, and the targets at 183. 83 what? 90. 183.90. So the London market just opened. Let's see if we can get that pullback in the pound, in the Japanese yen. I'm gonna go look at gold after that. It's 4.17 R. And I'm risking 0.26%. Cool. I'm not sending this to the free group. I sent a ton of free stuff. Last week. Uh-huh. $4.15 R trade, right? Cool. So here we go. That pullback is looking good at the open. I'm gonna leave this running, guys, and let's have a look at gold. I'm super hot. It's hot in here today. Here in the tropics, not only hot, but kind of wet hot. I don't know how to call that. Right. Chat group is sometimes send trades or just discussions for F1. No, F1 is a strategy that you buy if you want access to my F1. All right, I'm going to show you. Here's the F1 chat. There's 42 members, 42 people trading the F1 actively. At the moment, here's where I send all of my trades. People also send all of their trades. We discuss the F1. You trade and have access to talking to me every single day on the F1 strategy. This is not a broadcast. This is not a signals group. This is a learning group, learning how to trade consistently the F1. So it's different. The VIP group is my signals. Right, there you go. Pulling back, looking forward for that divergence. Well, if the audio is lagging, I don't care. It's fine. Must be my connection. All right, so I'm going to create some content for social media right now. All right, guys, so first setup of the week, pretty simple setup. We're looking for longs here in this market. I'm not going to tell you which market it is, of course, but I'm going to tell you that what we're looking for is shorts on the Japanese yen. So this is all my VIP group, mates. All right, cool. Social media taken care of. If the audio is, let me see. The week, pretty simple. We're looking for longs here in this market. I'm not going to tell you which market it is, of course. I don't know why my audio is lagging. I don't know. That's fine. Cool. I'm going to record the video for my VIPs. All right, guys, welcome to another week trading with the VIP team. Now, I'm looking for shorts on the Japanese yen. So basically, the London session is trading inside the Asian session still. This is a very, very weak market. The Japanese yen is a very weak market at the moment. This cannot be considered the last triple the lows because we are still missing the market structure shift break. So if we don't have this market structure shift break, this market is still bearish. And if this market is still bearish, what I'm looking for is a manipulation of the Asian session highs before the next drop on the Japanese yen. That's why I'm placing those pound yen longs. Long on the pound yen is short on the Japanese yen. You all know that. And if you don't, well, now you do. So, waiting for the Japanese yen to come back to test this, to fill this imbalance. There's a big order block here created at the Asian session lows. I don't know. My stop loss are a little bit wide, just because this is a wider spread market. And of course, that I'm also looking at this as my liquidity to be taken out, guys. So that's my setup. I'm going to wait and see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. Right, so there you go. That's my setup for today. Sending this to my up his. Good. All right, so pretty non-eventful open, right, guys? Let's have a look at the euro. Wow, not at all uneventful. So looking for longs here on the euro USD. That's cool. This is very cool actually. So I'm going to place some longs here. I'll do. This is actually so cool. Let's have a look at the markets that I trade the US dollar on. The Euro USD. I'm gonna place longs on the Euro US dollar, guys. Let me see. Oof, this is another cool. All right. Remember that I trade with pending orders, so I never enter at market. I mean, if I have the if I have the setup right there, I'll enter at market, but very rarely. Let's have a look at gold here on the F1 strategy. Oh, this is looking phenomenal. Now I have not only I have, I'm not gonna send this as a free F1 strategy trade either. Not only I have a nice structured low to place my entry, but this is looking very good. All right, so what's up, guys? What's up? What's popping? What is popping? This green. All right, what's popping? I'm not a big fan of trading the Canadian dollar during the Asian session, but this might also be a good idea as a short on the US dollar. So I'm not gonna place both trades. Of course, that would be just stupid. Let's have a look at the US Canadian dollar, USD CAD. Um, in the Euro USD. Yeah, I'm placing one on the Euro USD, man. I'm placing the Euro USD trade. Not yet. Not yet. Not just yet. I'm gonna chill for a while. I want to hear what the hell you did on your weekend. What's going on? I'm going to place this trade live though, while I keep waiting for. Just looking at on the market. USD South African Rand. It's a market that I've forgotten about it, and I'm going to come back to trade a USD Swiss franc. Should be here. I don't know why it's not. Or is it? No, it's not. It is. Where is it? Ah, it's here. I'm gonna place it here. Let's see. Very, very strong. Wow, the Swiss franc is just strong today against the US dollar. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So, I don't know if we're gonna get that pullback on the USD. I mean, I trade pullbacks, guys. I don't trade breakouts. So if there is no pullback in the market, I'm not gonna get in. But most likely there is going to be one. I'm fine with holding on to this setup as it approaches my targets, even if it comes. Yeah, I'm gonna keep quiet because this is for VIPs only. But I'm fine. Euro USD. Um, the euro versus the US dollar. This is a nice setup. Let's see. I'm gonna have a look at my targets on the Euro USD. My target should be here at this highs. There's a big ass order block here. Super big ass. So 0.0630. So something like this should be my long entry on the Euro USD. Of course, the lows here. And this is a very nice 3.7R. 3.7R on the Euro USD. Right. Questions, guys. If you want to chat with me, you know what? I will, because there's no questions, I'm going to just cut the show very, 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 very short. Thank you for joining me. And if you're not a VIP, you're not